I think it's time that we make some homemade apple cider. What we're gonna do is quarter about 8 to 10 apples. Next, we're gonna quarter 2 to 3 oranges. We're gonna add in our spices. So I'm gonna add in about 4 to 5 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, add in a nutmeg, some fresh allspice, ½ cup of brown sugar. Last thing we have to add in is water, and I like to add in the water until it covers everything. So we're gonna mix this together, and then we're gonna put it on the stove and bring it to a simmer. After the 2-hour mark, once you notice that all your ingredients have turned a little bit softer, we're just gonna press all the ingredients down with the back of our spoon and then let it simmer for another hour before straining. So let's put this bad boy on the stove. Now that our cider is done on the stove, we have to strain out everything that we put in there. Hoping I don't spill. I will, I know I will. Not too bad, not too bad. I'm just gonna press down on all the ingredients we use. I like to reuse these and put these back in my pot with more water and just create a holiday simmer. Just let it simmer all day long. I have my reusable jars. Cheers. Now from here, you can add sweetness if you like it a little bit more sweeter. I like having them in individual jars so I can have one that's maybe on the sweeter side, one that's a little bit more neutral, but there you go. Cheers.